You work so hard, but at the end of the day, you can't tell exactly where your money is going to. And it's not as if you're a wasteful spender. That was me. I know how frustrating that could be. So how did this investment banker go from a broke chartered accountant that never knew where her money is going to someone not only securing the bag herself, but helping others smash their financial goals and give testimonials like this? So many testimonials at this point. In this video, I will be sharing the micro everyday things that helped me, and they will help you too. As an investment banker that work with the top 1%, the good thing is that you get to observe the rich. You see their lifestyle, how they money. These are habits they all have in common. Let's get into it. Welcome to the community. On this channel, we are all about securing the bag, investment, side hustle, passive income. If that's the kind of content you like, hit that subscribe button right away. Habits number 1 that transformed me to broke to doing well with my money currently: accountability. I will show you how, the practical way. You know how you want to do something. The spirit is willing, but one day the body is weak. For some people, it could be saving their money, investing their money. They really want to do it, but you can't seem to get around to doing it. You need an accountability partner. That saved my life. Let me tell you a quick story. Back in 2020, that's when I started talking about finance fully. And by the way, today we celebrated 150,000 on Instagram. Our audience there is blowing up, financial engagement. We should connect there. So how did this all started? Me, I was struggling with my finances. I was already a chartered accountant, doing very well. I work as a treasury accountant in one of the top firms here in Nigeria. But my own personal finance, it was not accounting at all, right? So I was like, what am I going to do? I told myself I was going to do better. So I started researching what savings apps should I use, what investments should I make. And to keep myself accountable, I was sharing on social media exactly what I was doing. Like play, a lot of other people, particularly women, could relate. And that's how our community keeps growing. But at a point, it was like, there is nothing I want to say that they've not heard before. But it's not to actually start doing it, right? So then I called a few of my friends. I was like, see, girls, we need to do better. We have to start saving money every single month. You know what? I am the chief accountability officer here. When you save, send me your receipt and I will have to record it for you. We did that and it was so beautiful. By the end of the year, we have saved more than we have ever saved in our life. The next year, I think we were about 11 of us that year. The next year, guess how many people came back? They told all their village people and everybody. We had like 300 and something people. And that's how FinTribe started, right? FinTribe is my platform. I started it, a platform for women only, where we save together, we invest together. If you're a woman, check the description. I'm going to leave the channel. You should be in FinTribe. In fact, this year alone, these women in just few months have saved over 1 billion. Yes, women have money. Okay, so whether you're a man or a woman, accountability is something you need. Call up someone, call up a friend, call up a colleague, call up your sibling, particularly someone on the same journey as you are, right? Maybe you are looking to start saving better, looking to start investing more, looking to upskill, side hustle, passive income. I actually have videos on this channel about different passive income that can make you money. These are things you need to do. Find someone else that also wants to do it. In fact, let's do something. Do you need an accountability partner? Go to the comment now. Just type, I need an accountability partner. Or just type accountability partner. You know, you never can tell. You will see someone that also aligns in that regard. You might also comment what you're looking to do. This community, one thing I love about us is our comment section. It's always lit, right? So you go and do that. I hope you find someone that keeps you accountable. That is one of the 5 habits that helped me in doing better with my finances. Number 2 habit you must build if you're looking to do better with your money is like this video. I know you're enjoying this video. If you are, kindly help me hit that thumbs. It means so much to me, and it tells you too that we are doing the Lord's work on this channel. Thank you so much. Okay, so yeah, number 2 habit that really helped me with my finances is paying myself first. You hear it all the time. Pay yourself first. Pay yourself first. Everybody is shouting that. What does it actually mean? It's very simple. Once your income comes in, remove that portion you want to save or you want to invest. Put it away. That's it. It's not pay yourself first for enjoyment, so that one day, right? But this one is the one you use in building wealth, the one you're adding to your investment portfolio. Let me tell you the truth. You might feel like you don't earn much, right? But remember, there was a time you earned way lesser than what you're currently earning, and you survived. You didn't die. So how come that now you're earning better, you still cannot save from it? So yeah, before you run off to pay everyone else, settle all of the bill, settle yourself first, right? Treat your savings, treat your investment as a bill that you have to pay. You already know that you have to save for your rent. You know that you have to save for your feeding, for your jabba, for whatever. Also save for savings. I don't know. Have an allocation of your income for savings and investing. So some of my clients, these are top shots. They earn in 7 figures, 8 figures, right? But some of them already automate it. Once their income drops, bam, the portion of it is going to their investment account. Hi, Jenny, I just sent so amount. You know what to do, right? They give you instruction on what to invest in. They do it consistently every single month, even before they start spending. If you wait for when you have enough or for when you are finished settling all your bills, my dear, adulthood cost. If you wait for when you finish settling all your bills to finally save and invest, you might never get to doing it, right? So what do you have to do today? Decide that particular amount you want to be saving, you want to be investing. Every time you get paid, remove it first. I have so many videos on different investments you can do, different platforms you can use to save. I'm going to link some of them on the description. I think I have the top 7 platforms you can use and save and invest in Nigeria. I have the ones for different investments, stock, treasury bill, bond. I'm going to link all of them. You watch these videos and decide, okay, I want to do this one, I want to do this one. So that once your income comes, you are moving it away from your salary account, from your normal account to your investment account. That is the number 2 habit that will really help you a lot. The 3rd thing you have to do, I don't know if to call this a habit, but it's something you just have to do, my dear. You cannot survive earning from one source of income. Trust me, whether they are paying you like 20 figures from it, I think it's risky. Everyone should have different sources of income. Even the rich do it. Look at all the rich people. They have this company doing this one. They have this company doing this one. They're negotiating these deals. They are making money from different angles. Personally, I have different ways I earn money. I earn money from my salary. I earn money from selling courses, classes. I earn money from influencer deals. I have brands come to me to advertise for them. I earn money from online courses, right? Even YouTube is beginning to pay small, right? Tell yourself that I need more. How much of income do you have currently? What else can you add? And you feel like, I don't know what to do. There are different things you can do. You can start a business. You don't even have to run it yourself. You can get someone to be running it for you. And if you currently do business, how can you expand that business? I remember when I used to sell hair. At a point, I started selling hair condition, hair equipment, stretcher. My clients were asking for this. So I added it and money were coming in from it. Another thing, what do you know? What job do you do? What knowledge do you have? What did you study in school? Can you start teaching these skills online? You get to a point that people will be happy to pay you. I won't even lie. I'm not capping for you. See, my most source of income comes from selling my knowledge, right? Like what I'm doing here now. I'm an investment banker. I'm a chartered accountant. In fact, I teach about investing. I have clients that pay me one-on-one sections. I host programs. People pay for these things. But the only problem is that we tend to undermine what we know. You feel like it's too simple. Nobody is interested. My dear, we like it simple. I think that's even why I'm able to make so much money from what I do, because I have mastered the act of simplifying things. Check all my videos on investing. I teach you the way a 5-year-old can understand. So go and ask yourself now, what other source of income can you create? Is there a skill you need to go and learn? Or the one do you need to upscale to be able to start earning from it? Please do that, because that is what the rich do. And that is one thing that skyrockets my finance from here to up here. Number 4 habit for anyone on the journey to financial independence: investment. See, I have never seen anyone that said, I became a billionaire from savings, or I build wealth from savings alone. See, savings is great, but the cocoa is to get to that point where your money is making money for you. You are already working hard for your money, my dear. It's time your money works harder than you. So that money you left idle in the bank, God, if you know financial Jennifer, you know that in this community, we don't do idle cash. Say no to idle cash. That your money should be in an investment. There's so many investments you can do, right? In fact, on this channel alone, I have different videos teaching this, which, like I said before, I'll link them on the description, right? So sometimes now you just be on your own. You see dividend payment, MTN pay dividend, Apple pay dividend, right, from left and right, and your location doesn't matter. I'm currently in Nigeria, but I invest in US stock. I invest in fixed income. I invest with the government. This interests me a lot. See, the rich, most of them, when they spend money, it's not even their personal money. It's investment, like interest they make from investing. They invest, they use the interest, suck their bills. You and I will be like, oh my God, they bought this, let me go and buy. You don't know that they're using free money to do those things, and that is free money they got from investing. If they're doing this, why not you? Why not me? Why not us? And oh, if you really mean it with investing, if you really mean it to scale your finances from 1 to 100, you should join our World Builders Academy, right? In this academy, we hold your hand from point 0 to point 100. In fact, it's a 3-week program where we teach you everything you need to know. We start from scratch, how to build your budget, how to build your own personal financial statements. We talk about different investment options. We show you how to start it. We help you. We coordinate it for you. We guide you, right? We show you how to split your portfolio. God. In fact, I wish I can share the testimonials of some of our students from that academy. It's so amazing. The next cohort is currently enrolling now. I'm going to leave the link to the academy in the description. Join us. I'm looking forward to guiding you personally and other experts in the industry on starting your investment journey. And then the final habit that really helped me, that is helping my life, it's not a financial metric, but trust me, even if you don't want to do it for your conscience or because you should do it, it has financial reward. What is that? Kindness. Being kind. Let me explain. So everybody talks about how networking is amazing. And yes, that's one thing I still struggle with, networking. I won't even lie for you. See, networking, connecting with people. There are those your money or knowledge cannot get you into. But it is when someone that knows you mentions your name, right? And I really struggle with it. And it's funny because I have a lot of people that want to be my friends. I'm not even capping, right? Maybe because of what I do. They are willing to get into my circle. But I don't know what my problem is. Let me know. I don't know. But on and off, God keeps showing up for me. And I think it's because of the people I have been kind to in the past. So for example now, number one, I like giving people opportunities. Sometimes brands reach out to me for something. I'll tell them, how about this person? Can we include this person? Even when I'm on the campaign, right? I want to include other people. And when I'm not able to do it, I must never let it pass. I'm including others, right? So people reach out, send you a DM or something. It doesn't even have to involve money, but just being kind towards others, showing opportunities their way, helping out when you can. And you know the funny thing, it's not even only my own act of kindness. I know how many times my parents' names have opened doors for me. My parents are not wealthy, right? But sometimes I go to places, they hear the name. In fact, there is one story I told one time when I was in school. We were sent to the local government to get something. We got there, you fill a form. If you see a long queue, God. I filled the form. The lady, they were not even attending to people. You know how government workers can be. When she saw the form, she was like, are you Eliza's daughter? My mom's name is Elizabeth. I'm like, yes. The woman shouted. She hugged me. She said so many things, that she went to the same school with my mom. She worked in the same office with my mom. She said so many amazing things. Like the way she helped me. See, it pays to be kind. Do it for the joy you get from it. Do it for your unborn children, for your next generation. Do it for yourself. And it has financial rewards because someone can give you a job based on what you did for them in the past or they recommended you for something. It sounds funny, but please give it a try. There you have it, the 5 habits that really helped me to level up financially. So thank you for being a part of this community. I'm going to list some of the videos I recommended on the description. I want to see you on those videos. I too like money. You too like money. I'm so glad you're part of this community. Thank you.